Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I'm Brittany speaking and I'm coming to you from Tia, which is one half of Sister Sister. In last week's video, I ended it by packing up Sister Sister and leaving this nice plot of land I was staying at for the past few weeks. In the comments, I was asked why I had to leave versus the other person, and it was just because they signed the lease literally one day before I did. So here we are, rolling into a new state park here in Florida. I'll be here for about a week while I try and find a campsite I can chill at for the next few months. I also announced a giveaway at the end of last week's video, and I wanted to announce the winner. Their nickname is Turk, T-U-R-K, and they were given that nickname because they clucked like a turkey when they cried as a child. And I want to thank everybody who shared. Y'all literally cracked me up with those names and stories. Now, Turk, make sure you check your notifications and instructions. You have a week to claim your prize. Hey, welcome to my channel Where is Brittany. I'm Brittany and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada and this AirPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted Skoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dream land and navigate life as a solo female traveler. We got here at a perfect time. It basically rained non-stop for the next 3 days, and Jada baby and I just hid away inside of our tiny space. It was a crazy storm in the middle of the night here in Florida.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking.
We are almost there. I can see Sister Sister. Everything is slowing down, y'all. That was like 1.4 miles for the trail that we just took, and then we had to walk maybe like a half a mile or whatever, a quarter mile, so half a mile total, to the walking area. And y'all, everything is tightening up. My legs hurt so bad. So I have some, I have a different tincture that I could use that'll help with some inflammation and stuff like that. So I don't have to take a Tylenol or anything. But we are here. We've made it back, and Jada baby still has so much energy. It's crazy, but she's gonna take a nice little nap, just like me.
Worried I won't make it.
We made it, Jada baby.
First I think
We are
of a
back.
delicate thing, and then I'll be breaking. I'm thinking of habits, yeah, all of the bad bits. Wish there was a sequel, I tell the good parts and I could have it. But mama says bad days are necessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I guess it makes sense what she said.
It's so early still, and it's so cold. I hope it was nobody out here sleeping in tents last night, because it was like 33, 34. But these pants are so warm. I got them from Lowe's. And they're like double layered on the inside. Jada baby and I, we are ready to go. We are about to go into town. I've been at this little campground for a few days, and my time is running up. It is hard to find a place to camp right now, and I found a piece of land. They are actually renting it out and or rent to own, so we're gonna go look at that today. But first, Jada baby needs to get a nice little trim around her eyes, so we're about to go into town and get that done. So the lock is on there. I don't know if you really can see it, but I have a lock on the home so that nobody can come up and just like attach to it and drive it off. So yeah, let's get going.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way?
Alrighty, my friends, I just got finished having my little coffee and everything, and I was just sitting in the cafe talking to my sisters. During that time, something was like, go ahead and do some more Google searching on the property that I was gonna go look at, and I'm so happy I did. I was able to put the address into Google, and a few ads popped up, so I was able to find that particular property on Zillow. And then I gave the Zillow agent a call, and then they transferred me to the realtor. Y'all, this was like a scam. So I screenshotted everything, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here so you guys kind of like see what it looks like. But that was like a scam ad. I sent them messages, and I was asking about like if there was utilities on the property, and they were like, oh yes, utilities on the property and everything. So I asked for like the zoning, because you know I've been looking for land, so it's like a few things that I go ahead and ask like up front to see if they have utilities, like what's the zoning like, because I want to be able to, you know, either have it unrestricted or some type of agricultural zoning, because that allows a little bit more wiggle room to be able to have animals, kind of like build what you want, no HOAs and things like that. So yeah, they were like, oh yeah, it's utilities on the property and everything. But when I went to Zillow and then also found the ad on another website, it listed that there were no utilities. So I'm like, something's not right. So I just started like calling people, and the realtor was like, yeah, no, that's probably a scam. So do not go out and look at this property. Who knows what could happen, y'all? Just me and Jada going to look at some property. Yeah. So I still don't have a place, and it's back to the drawing board for looking at a place to rent out, y'all. The people have not called yet to go pick up Jada baby, and they've had her for like 2.5 hours, and this isn't like a full grooming. She was just supposed to get trimmed, cut around her eyes and her butt, clean out her ears, things like that. So I'm gonna give them a call shortly. I have to go get some gas and see what's up with her. But yeah, they tried. Could have got scammed, y'all. So that sucks.
You don't see what you have in front of you, or maybe I'm not enough for you.
You look so cute, Jada baby.
So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay.